You know that feeling when your house just works? No fumbling for switches. No wondering if the garage is locked. No guessing what's actually in the air you're breathing. That's what today is about. We've pulled together some of the coolest smart home gadgets hitting shelves right now. From a battery-free e-ink display that kills your phone scrolling habit to a sensor that knows you're in the room even when you're sitting dead still. Let's get into it. Let's start with a smart home gadget that most of us use for months every year, but rarely think about upgrading: the fan. At first glance, the ZAFRO Smart Tower Fan looks like a typical tower fan. But once you start using it, you realize it is trying to solve a lot of the little annoyances that come with traditional fans. For starters, it delivers some serious airflow. With wind speeds reaching 28 feet per second, over 43 feet of air coverage, and up to 120 degrees of oscillation. It does a much better job of moving air around the entire room instead of creating one cool spot directly in front of the fan. What makes it feel smart, though, is how much control you have. You can adjust everything from the touch panel, remote, smartphone app, or even voice commands. There are 12 speed levels and 4 airflow modes. So whether you want a strong breeze during the day or something gentler while sleeping, it is easy to dial in exactly what feels comfortable. One feature we like is the built-in temperature sensor. In auto mode, the fan monitors room temperature and adjusts its speed on its own. So instead of constantly reaching for the remote, the fan quietly adapts throughout the day. And when night comes, it becomes surprisingly discreet. At its lowest setting, noise drops below 22 decibels, the display turns itself off, and sleep mode maintains a softer airflow. It is one of those products that takes something familiar and makes it feel noticeably smarter without becoming complicated. Let's be honest, no one wants 5 different appliances crowding the countertop anymore, especially when one smart oven can handle it all. That's where the Brava comes in. With just a tap, it cooks an entire meal, protein and 2 sides, on one tray at the same time. You want crispy chicken, tender asparagus? Done. And with over 8,000 preloaded cooking programs, you don't need to Google anything. Just pick and go. It air fries, bakes, sears, slow cooks, reheats. Yep, it's a 10-in-1. Even better, it's made for everyone. From screen readers to app controls and a cool touch body, it's actually safe and simple. Whether you're cooking solo or feeding 4, Brava gives you chef-quality food without the guesswork. Speaking of things you forget to check, your garage door. This THIRDREALITY opener doesn't touch your motor wiring at all. It works through your existing garage key interface, which is exactly why it plays nice across pretty much every brand, instead of getting blocked by proprietary security systems. Setup is just power via USB-C. Insert your key, scan a QR code, and you're live. No electrician, no second guessing. It's Matter certified, so it drops straight into Apple Home, Google, Alexa, whatever you're already running. And from your phone, you can check whether it's open or closed at any moment. Close it remotely the second you remember you forgot, and hand access to the whole family without cutting a single spare key. Brewing at home sounds complicated until you meet this. The iGulu S1 makes beer making ridiculously simple. Add the kit, pour in filtered water, scan a sticker, and that's it. It takes care of the rest with smart pressure and temperature control, from fermentation to carbonation. You even get a CO2 tank to keep your brew fresh for up to 30 days. It's great for first-timers with 9 one-touch recipes, from pilsners to ciders. If you forget to use the gas tank, there's a built-in air pump too. The only catch? It's not a tiny device, so make sure you've got space for your new hobby. Whether you're hosting or just winding down, this one makes it feel like the brewery came to you. The Feliluke Parcel delivery box offers a sturdy, weather-resistant storage solution to securely receive deliveries when you're away. Made from thick, powder-coated steel, this lockable box measures a spacious 18 inches by 15 inches by 40 inches to accommodate most common package sizes. Despite its robust 36-pound construction, The box ships disassembled for easy DIY assembly using included instructions. With ample room for everything from small envelopes to large boxes, Feliluke's parcel chest ensures your deliveries remain safe from theft and elements while keeping valuables out of public view. If you love chewable Nugget ice, you know, the soft, crunchy kind, this one's worth a look. The Ecozy ice maker makes up to 44 pounds of it daily, and the pull-out water tank means refills are way easier than flipping heavy jugs. The full-color display shows real-time updates, and there's an LED lit basket so you can check your ice without digging around. Use the app or even voice commands to control it. Yes, you can ask Alexa for more ice. It also self-cleans, which is a huge win. It's a bit bulky for smaller spaces, and while it isn't the quietest appliance, it makes up for it in ease and output. For families or frequent hosts, this is a solid upgrade for your kitchen flow. Brilliant offers an innovative in-wall touchscreen panel that puts smart home control at your fingertips with effortless Alexa integration. This easy-to-install device replaces any light switch to provide whole home control of lighting, locks, cameras, entertainment, and more right on the wall. Brilliant supports popular brands and gives you motion detection, custom scenes, voice commands, and app access. Whether you want an intuitive wall panel to control hue lights or seamless Sonos music streaming, Brilliant brings simple, clutter-free smart functionality to all. Its stylish design, versatile device support, and built-in Alexa make Brilliant a brilliant touchscreen hub for the smart home. Sensor R3. This next one solves something motion sensors never could. The R3 uses 60 GHz mmWave radar to detect actual presence, even your breathing while you're sitting completely still. So it won't randomly cut your lights while you're reading on the couch. Your lights just know you're there, full stop. It's USB-C powered, so no batteries to swap, and it doubles as a Zigbee repeater, quietly strengthening your mesh network in the background while it works. The built-in RGB light flags presence or system status at a glance, and it also monitors ambient light and air quality, flashing red the moment TVOC levels spike. For bedrooms, bathrooms, anywhere stillness usually confuses a sensor, this is the fix. Let's bring things back to pure atmosphere. The Govee Star Projector throws a 7-zone nebula effect across up to 540 square feet, with color, brightness, speed, and motion customizable per zone. Once it's set, Matter compatibility means Alexa or Google Assistant can run the whole show. And with over 50 scene modes plus 18 white noise options, you're never manually adjusting anything night after night. There's a built-in sleep timer too, so it shuts off on its own instead of running till morning. If you've got a kid who needs a nightlight that actually feels magical, this is it. Okay, this one's wild. Imagine telling your grill what you want, and it just makes it happen. The Brisk Smart Grill has an AI assistant named Vera that literally understands your commands. Make ribs for 4? Vera's got it. It adjusts temp, timing, and smoke levels, even if you forget a step. With 7 different cooking functions – grill, sear, roast, bake – it handles everything outdoors. And with precise temp control from 165 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, you get beautifully smoked meat or that crispy sear, all in one place. It's built tough for year-round grilling, snow or shine. And yes, the app lets you monitor everything from your phone. So even if you're inside making sides, Vera's outside making magic. That's our full rundown of the coolest smart home gadgets. Let us know in the comments which one you'd actually want to have, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.